Today we're making creamy, delicious and vegan onion soup. Start by chopping some onions. Add some olive oil to a pan. Medium heat. Add the onions and stir. The goal is to caramelize the onions. Chop some potatoes. Add them to a pot of boiling water. Add some salt. Keep stirring the onions occasionally on low heat. Prepare some vegan stock. Cut one garlic bulb in half, place on kitchen foil and top with olive oil. Make a loose foil parcel so it doesn't really touch the garlic inside. Bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes on 200 degrees. Keep stirring the onions and soon you will start seeing this beautiful caramelization. Take 2 tablespoons of plain flour and start adding a little bit of vegan stock to make a smooth paste. After about half an hour, let's take our garlic out of the oven. Potatoes are cooked and I'm transferring some of the leftover liquid into my stock. Meanwhile, we are chopping up some thyme. I'm adding the flour mixture to our caramelized onions. Now add the vegan stock. We're getting this lovely creamy oniony mixture. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor. Keep adding more vegetable stock and stir. Now let's add the thyme. Keep stirring, keep adding vegetable stock to make sure the flour is completely dissolved. Take the soft garlic out of the skin and add into our mixture. Season to taste. And finally, add a splash of oat milk to make it extra creamy. Mash the boiled potatoes inside of the pan and add our onion mixture to the potatoes. Mix once again and our creamy, delicious vegan onion soup is ready to serve. Chop up some spring onions to garnish the soup for absolute perfection. And serve with some toasted bread. This is a perfect comfort meal to have on an autumn afternoon. Definitely give it a try and let me know how you like it.